Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Arriving this summer, the beautiful two-seater licensed Range Rover Vogue 24-volt battery electric ride-on is one that will be on every kid's wish list. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Padded leather style seats. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. 3-way key start with keys included. The working bonnet makes for quick and easy storage. The 2- and 4-wheel drive switch allows the power to be restricted to the motors. The 2x12-volt batteries means the car will last longer. The 4 35-watt motors are more powerful than the standard variants. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. The spray-painted finish is like no other car on the market. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.